Okay, we restart take 2. Just now the internet dropped. Okay, wanted to show you all the master bedroom one. Then we slowly move outside to the living room. Usually I start from outside, come inside, but I scared the line drop again. I want to show you special L shape. 然后你下来一下，我看一下是。Okay, the special L shape. What is this special L shape? Little line drop again. Special L shape is I can easily access the 2 doors can open past 180 degrees. I can access here, I can access here, or I can access. No need to come over here because usually you have this blocking one. Then you need to do something like that. This one no need. This one is fully accessible. Can see not? Can see then we move. If not, then you may have to take an angle from here. See you can see it. See it? Okay, good. Okay, let them continue their work. That's for the lamination stage. Here also just finish all the lamination. Here also just finish all the lamination already. Coming in here. Okay, we come closer to the window so we don't lose our signal. Come closer to the window. This one just now I got share already, but I lost the signal, so we reshare again. This one is partition wall. So this is a study cabinet. Then this will be very heavy because we've got hooks on this. So how we support? I'll show you. The way that we have built this is on top here, there's a piece of structure wood supporting into the ceiling. Then we use anchor posts to anchor into the ceiling. So now this cabinet is supported by the ceiling. This is concrete ceiling. This is not partition. It's concrete ceiling. So it has anchor posts going out this way, supporting the height, the strength from here, and also into the partition. How to support into the partition when the partition is so soft? So what is it that we do? First thing, before the cabinet is on, we cut the partition. We reinforce the partition inside with wood to the structural bones. Then we tie the screws to it. So with that, the whole structure now is supported on the bones of the partition, the wood of the partition, and the ceiling on top. So this one is very, very strong. If not, usually your partition wall cannot hold book cabinet. Cannot hold a book cabinet because books are very heavy. Books are very, very heavy. So all these, later you will not see all these screws. Now you see the screw. That's why it's part of the structure works only. Finishing, you don't see the screws. Not so much. See a bit of screw is normal. A bit of screw here and there is normal, but not so many. Now okay. Lamination done. Lamination done already. The owner already find new toilet bowls, all this, but haven't installed. And new food, new stove, everything is mostly here already, waiting for us to install. Okay. What is this? This one is drawer, okay? Drawer here, and then on top is storage shelf. Then come to this side. Box up the bomb shelter with the door. And also here, we alter the whole structure already. Alter the whole structure. This is not big enough for shoes. It's deep enough for shoes. Shoe can go in already. Now it's deep enough for shoes. Usually it's not. Usually it's not. This house is possible because the wall is thick enough behind the door. Some houses no. Some houses no. Okay, we quickly come over to this side. Then I talk to you on this side. Okay. I don't think the signal will drop already. usually near the windows are better. New BTO estate usually have this problem, 5G, 4G, all this may drop. Okay, where am I? Okay, this is one of our projects now doing the carpentry installation, finishing. Then after that will be install tabletop, install glass, install the sink, food, stove, all these things all installed. So it's a step-by-step one. Everything goes step by step. You can't jump one step one. Like you cannot haven't finished your carpentry, then you ask for the tabletop to come to try to install a tabletop. There's no way. Everything has to very reliant on stages. So the chasing of the project stages is very important. That's why are we so different? We are the actual people that not just sit in the office. We are the actual people that come down to the job site, manage the project, make sure that the project is run smoothly, all the details are settled, so that your project can be handed over back to you properly. But a lot of the other competitors or IDs out there, they don't have this kind of structure. Whenever they sign a deal, they sometimes outsource everything, including even the project management, because they're not so good at the technical parts. So with that kind of arrangement, a lot of things cock up. Then when one is an escalating or cascading effect, something cock up already. When you move to the next stage, you can't move already. A bit of noise, you all try to reverse. Let's share. Okay, never mind. 你切了我再说。
先别忙切，过来。
Okay, you don't cut it any. Yeah. Okay. Everything takes time. Everything is in stages. So you can't move to the next stage if your things are stalled, things are not proper. So end of the day, that's why it's very important to have your management of the project done by a team that is technical and not just able to hard sell you or even just do very nice rapport building at the sales stage. Because end of the day, you want the project to be finished to your standards, to the drawings, to your expectation. Then that requires the team to be focused on project management, not just anyhow draw only. Worst thing is don't even have drawing. No drawing there, how is it going to happen? So that's the key difference between us and the other competitors out there. Okay, so if you like what you see, got one more difference. We own our own carpentry factory. That's a very key difference. Because carpentry is one of the finest finishing. If you outsource that, you're going to have a big problem because you cannot control who's doing the work. It can come from Malaysia, can come from Bangladesh, can come from India. Right? We're not saying those are not good, but I'm saying that you can't control the quality. Whereas, because ours is all in-house, we control the quality, we make sure that all these finishings are up to our standard. I cannot say we're 100%. We still make mistakes, we still sometimes hear not good, there, not good, but it's not that bad really. It's not the kind of like, wow, you look at it, you cry, that kind of standard. So that is something that I'm very adamant about, very stubborn on. I want to keep the control and making sure that all the carpentry is under us. No outsourcing, I cannot outsource my carpentry. Okay, so basically, that's the key differences between us and the other competitors, and that's why we are so sought after, and that's why we are so popular also. Okay, if you like what you see, you've seen quite a lot of videos already. Actually, we have hundreds of videos. I don't know whether it's 500 yet, but hundreds of videos on YouTube, hundreds of videos on Facebook. So there is a lot of resources for you all to get to know us, to know what we are doing, and we are the actual people on site doing all the work. So if you'd like to engage with us, want us to become your interior designer, or your renovation contractor, project manager, whatever you want to call us. RSVP number is 9007-3368. WhatsApp to us, then we will reply you your messages and ask for your floor plan, ask for your details, then you come to the sales event. Our next sales event is on the 11th of March. It's a Saturday. We still got a few more slots open. So come and join us, come and see me, talk to me about your ideas. We try to actualize it, or we try to make it happen. Alright, so this is Reese from Reno Scout. I will see you again. Bye bye.